If you're seeing an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone, and you can't use any cellular services or even reset your iPhone, then try these easy steps, which may help you fix this in minutes. What you'll need to try right off the bat is manually checking for cellular updates. To do this, you'll need to go to Settings, then General, and About. As soon as you open About, you should already get the cellular update pop-up like you see here. But if you don't see it, it means it's not required. So in that case, let's try giving our iPhone a forced reboot, which will also restart all the network services. You can do it by pressing the volume up, then quickly volume down, and then hold the side or power button until the screen turns off and the Apple logo appears. Now let go, and your iPhone will reboot in a few seconds. If it still won't connect and you're getting the same error, then if you're using a physical SIM, you can try ejecting it and reinserting the SIM. And in case it's an eSIM, then in that case you'll need to reset your iPhone's network settings altogether. And this should also fix issues with the physical SIM. So open Settings, go to General, scroll down, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if required, and note that this will disconnect you from your Wi-Fi and you'll have to connect back to it. So tap on Reset Network Settings. You can also try Reset All Settings if you can. Another reason that may sound unrelated, but can cause this issue, is your iPhone storage. So make sure you have at least 5 to 10 GB of storage left. If not, you can try offloading apps or deleting some large files. In case if it still says cellular unavailable, then we need to determine if it's a hardware error or not, and you can find it out by yourself by booting up your iPhone in Diagnostics mode. To do this, first shut down your iPhone. Now you'll need to ready your iPhone charger, and after that you'll need to press and hold both the volume buttons, and while holding it, plug in the charging cable, keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo comes up. Now you can let go, and in a second you should see the Diagnostics and Repair screen. Now you can go ahead and disconnect the charger. Then tap on Continue, connect to a Wi-Fi, press Agree, and choose Run Diagnostics. Now your phone will connect to Apple support, and you'll see a list of troubleshooting options. You'll need to choose Mobile Resource Inspector and start Diagnostics. So be patient and give it around a minute, and from the list make sure everything shows a green tick, especially cellular baseband, cellular RF, and eSIM. If everything shows green, then great. You should be able to fix this by resetting your iPhone using a Mac or a Windows PC. And if you need further help with that, take a look at our short and easy guide. But in case it shows an issue, then it's probably a hardware failure, and you'll need to get your iPhone repaired or contact Apple support. So first of all, exit out of the Diagnostics mode by tapping on these 3 dots, then choosing Exit. And when your phone boots up, you can easily contact Apple support using the Apple Support app. And that's all I have for you. Let us know your feedback, and stay tuned for more.